Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 83 of 111 days verification challenge. Until today we had covered a lot of skill sets like digital electronics, computer architecture, Verilog, system Verilog, even DFT and RTL design. A lot of things we have covered. Now, if you see the previous day's challenge, we had seen a lot of concepts from all these things. We have saw some numericals wherever applicable, like in digital electronics, computer architecture. We have solved some coding questions in Verilog and System Verilog. Now, let's move on to real practical designs, where we are going to see the real practical designs and then verify them. And today we are going to see one such design which is FSM. FSM stands for finite state machine. We are going to design the finite state machine and verify it. First, let us understand the design. I have taken a simple FSM. Here, if you see, you need to first design this FSM using System Verilog language. Here is what the design says. You have the input in. When this input is asserted, the state machine, your FSM, will move from idle state to start state. Initially, it is idle state. As soon as input in is asserted, your state changes from idle to start, and the FSM will remain in start state until the reset is asserted. When the input in is deasserted while the FSM is in start state, then the FSM will move to the finished state. And in the finished state, your output signal out is going to be asserted. Simple FSM, there are three states: idle, start, and finish. When input in is coming, that time the FSM moves from idle to start and remains in start until the reset is asserted. And when the FSM is in start state and the input in becomes deasserted, that time it will move to the finished state. And in the finished state, your output signal out is also going to be asserted. This is the FSM. You need to design it in System Verilog. Once you design this FSM, create a verification plan to verify this FSM. Verification plan will have what all test cases you are going to write and what kind of formal verification techniques you are going to apply, like simulation, formal verification, all those things. Then you need to create the System Verilog based test bench with random stimulus. We'll apply some random stimulus using System Verilog randomization to verify all possible transition, whatever are valid transition. For example, your FSM can move from idle to start state, it can remain in start state, or it can move from start to finish. These are all various different kind of valid transition. You need to cover all valid state transition in your test bench. Then you need to simulate your design, and to do all these things you can use the free online practice platform like EDA Playground. No need to buy anything. It is freely available EDA Playground where you can design such simple designs and even verify. Once you write this code, the design and your verification code, ensure first that your code is compiled clean. There should be no compile time or simulation error. And once all this is done, you can verify the waveform. You can generate the waveform in free practice platform EDA Playground itself. You will have the option to generate the waveform. Analyze the waveform and ensure that it covers all possible scenarios, all possible state transitions, and all possible values of your input. And even the reset condition should be asserted, be asserted. So ensure that it covers all possible scenarios. When you solve this, it is going to give you a very good confidence in design as well as verification, because you are going to create a design by yourself and also verify it. Solve this challenge question today, and tomorrow I am going to give you another challenge for design and verif. For few days we are going to continue like this, because when you solve such kind of challenge questions and you yourself create some design and such verification things, it will boost your confidence a lot. That's why we are going to do such exercises. Solve these questions today, and tomorrow I am going to see you for day 84 challenge. Best luck.